Where have you been? You smashed up Faiza's house? Are you fucking crazy? Faiza and I are over. I apologized. You accepted my apology and we moved on. You want a fucking baby? Do you think it's a good idea with you being psychotic?
I'm not psychotic.
You destroyed her home.
She destroyed mine.
It was a mistake.
Fucking my husband is not a mistake. It's a choice. And she's my best friend, so don't get involved.
I am involved. My family is involved. Our parents know each other. Did you even consider how it would reflect on the family? At the end of the day, class just fucking shows up, doesn't it? You can't buy it, it can't be taught, and it can't be married into clearly. They can have you arrested. Did you even consider that? Then we will all be involved, publicly. Maybe think about it next time before letting your jats show.
Devyani, our daughter.
Tara, did Tarun send my lehenga?
Yeah, but we have to do the fitting as soon as possible, huh?
Maybe have a picture of you with the family?
Not in my uniform, no.
It would be great. Just the men and you.
You look amazing, so don't worry about it. Push it. Push it.
Perfect.
हल्दी सेटअप रेडी है
हल्दी सेटअप रेडी है बास्केट भी सब रेडी है पर हम कल गेस्ट रूम में डालेंगे
Alright, okay.
Hi, Tara.
Hi.
Pavleen.
Nice to meet you.
Karun's friend.
Okay.
Is he here?
No, actually, but is there something you'd like me to pass on?
No, that's all right. We're just old buddies, you know. I thought I'll catch up with him.
Okay.
Well, I think you would have a lot of work. I'll leave you to it. Take care. See you.
आजकल तो शादी बिल्कुल प्राइवेट नहीं है।
और कोई दुल्हन शर्मीली नहीं है
बिल्कुल।
Mr. Ranawat, I am from FWD Lifestyle magazine. We've heard about your merger with 5 Seasons and how you intend to convert your Mandota Palace into a 7-star luxury hotel. Care to comment, sir?
I'm sorry. मेरे बेटे की शादी है. आप सब business related questions press conference में पूछिए. Now please go and enjoy yourself. Excuse me.
Thank you, sir.
He's actually done it. Your landlord has withdrawn all evidence. The police will have to drop charges now. You still want to take him to court? We have a case. What?
Do I want to send Gupta to jail?
That's your call.
He has a daughter. She's a good kid. I'm not sure she needs this right now.
Is this about protecting her?
I'm sorry. You worked so hard on this case,
Don't worry about me. Anyway, sending one landlord to jail is not going to change anything in this country.
ये देखो मैडम जी 2:15 वो खुद चला कर गए थे ड्राइवर ऑफिस के पार्किंग लॉट में ही छोड़ दिया था वो फैजा नकवी के घर पहुंचे और करीब 1.5 घंटे के बाद वहां से निकले ये सारे 5 दिन पहले के फोटोज हैं
Oh, Tara. Don't be shy. Tara, I have a huge favor I need to ask of you. I know how busy you guys have been lately, but can I give you one more job?
Yeah.
Can you please distribute all these cards? I have a lot on my plate right now.
Of course.
She's such a lifesaver.
Yeah.
I gotta go. I'll see you. Bye. Thanks, Tara.
Okay, we are rolling. You guys look so nice.
Thanks.
So, Samar, I'll start with you. Being from the royal family, how do you think that affects how you feel about what Devyani does, the fact that she's a pilot?
I'd say it's absolutely great, yeah. It's about time we support ambitious women and stand next to them, support them. No woman in our families have worked. She'll be the first.
He always knew I'm going to be a pilot. That was non-negotiable.
Yeah, now who can tell her what to do?
I know the family I'm marrying into and the responsibility that I have, and I would never do anything to embarrass them or shame them. And they trust me.
Yeah, and we are very proud of her.
And this beautiful lady is my daughter-in-law.
Wow.
और देवयानी ये जैन है, 5 season hotels की director.
I'm very pleased to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
And how beautiful you look.
Thank you.
Come.
And I'm enjoying your big fat Indian wedding experience.
Yes, thank you very much.
Lovely.
This is Mehendi.
The temporary tattoos you were talking about?
Henna,
Yeah.
Namaste.
I'd love to get something small.
Oh, you're most welcome. She's here only for you.
क्या नाम है बेटा आपका?
Pooja.
आप इनके हाथ पर एक सुंदर सा डिजाइन बना देंगे?
जी। और आपके लिए छोटा सा ही, ताकि नजर ना लगे।
She's given me a mark to ward of evil. Nice.
So, I just spoke to Kumarji, Mrs. Yadav's cousin.
Okay.
The wedding's gonna be the announcement of the political alliance. They want to make a big splash. It'll be huge.
Let's get it.
I'm not losing another wedding.
You won't. The Yadavs will get married in harmony.
Plan बताइए आप.
हार्मनी से बड़ी कोई एजेंसी है ही नहीं मैम. इस तरह की फैमिली को हाई फाई शो शाही पसंद आएगा.
When we get complacent, someone else gets photographed. So, what is your plan?
We can make sure they know about Karan.
Know what?
That he's a pervert.
He's not a pervert.
Investigations तो चल रही है ना उस पर.
Who cares what he is?
As long as it's not good for their reputation to hire him, it's fine by me.
Ma'am, here's your room and this is for you.
Thank you, dear.
पंजी प्लीज आप बाहर जाके सेटिंग चेक करो यार. तो जल्दी चल, हमें सब रूम से बास्केट रखने हैं अभी.
आप लोग थोड़ा जल्दी कीजिएगा.
जी. तू इसमें रह, मैं आगे डाल के आती हूँ. और नीचे से और बास्केट्स लेके आ. Sorry, sorry. रुको, रुको, please. पूजा
कौन था कुछ पता है? जानती हो उसको?
रूम में है अभी। मैंने आते वक्त रूम बाहर से लॉक कर दिया था।
चलो मेरे साथ। I want to see this fucker.
नहीं।
नहीं, चिंता मत करो, कुछ नहीं होगा।
We shouldn't do anything. We should just tell the family. They will press charges. Let them handle it legally.
अरे but let's at least go.
I will go speak to Mr. Ranawat. Just पहले रूम दिखा दो।
यही रूम है।
हो जल्दी।
रुको, don't open that door.
पहले पिताजी से बात कर लेती हूँ।
ठीक है। देखिए आप ये भी बोल दीजिएगा कि हम सब आपके साथ हैं, हाँ?
ये लोग तो राजा महाराजा हैं।
ऐसी हरकत किसी को माफ नहीं होती। पुलिस आपकी मदद करेगी। हम हैं तुम्हारे साथ।
I'm sorry. I don't know what else to say.
Don't be silly. She has every right to be angry.
What did you tell your parents?
They're not stupid. Dad said live by his rules or leave.
Then leave. You need to get your shit together. You're a grown woman.
What do you want me to do? Leave my aging parents?
You're not staying here out of concern for your aging parents. You're staying here because you're dependent on them. You need to start working, Feza.
I am working with my mother.
It's an NGO. It's amazing, but it's not bringing in any income. You always said you wanted to open your own place. A store. You have great taste. You have great style. What you wear, how you are. Use it. Open your own place. I can finance it. No, it'll be a proper deal, a proper business deal.
Why are you doing this?
I hate the idea of you being answerable to anyone. First Bilal, now your dad. Fuck them.
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते। साहब आ गए?
नहीं, शिवानी मैडम आई हैं। ड्राइंग रूम में बैठी हैं।
शिवानी?
जी।
रख दो।
जी।
I really wish we hadn't ended things like that.
Please, don't embarrass me. Just forget it.
Are you happy at Harmony?
I'm okay. How are you? How's Karan?
It's been rough.
You need to be careful.
What do you mean?
Harmony is going to use Karan's case.
for the Yadav wedding, it's not going to be decent.
Of course.
They're planning to put it out everywhere, even Delhi Times. You should call Prabhat and ask him to try and stop it.
Why are you helping us?
I'm not helping you. I was never here. I don't want my daughter to grow up in a world that is mean.
अग्रीमेंट तैयार होते ही घर भिजवा दीजिए जी। अच्छा,
यहाँ पे रहने की कोई खास वजह?
तुम्हारे पास रहूंगी।
कोई जरूरत नहीं है, यहाँ रेट बहुत ज्यादा है।
अरे बेटा, पहले पूरा घर तो देख ले। चल आ। आदिल ने ही यहाँ पर ढूंढने को कहा था। अच्छे एरिया में घर दिलवाना चाहता है।
आदिल ने बोल दिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप बिक जाओ।
समझौता कर ले।
क्या समझौता? रात को 4 बजे घर आया था। आप इंटरफियर मत करो मम्मी।
पता है तू परेशान है। याद है मैंने ही कहा था ना, उस फैजा को अपने घर पे मत रख। बेटा, बुरा वक्त है, ये भी कट जाएगा। अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुन। आदिल तुझे नहीं छोड़ेगा। वो लड़की मुसलमान है, डिवोर्सी है। रोने दे उसे। तू बीवी है, हक है तेरा। उसे खुश रख बेटा। वो जब घर आए तो उसे प्यार दे, उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर। बाहर जा उसके साथ, बीवी बन उसकी। इतना कुछ किया है यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए, तो खुद ही सोच।
Get me Prabhat on the phone.
मेरे कुछ सैंपल आए।
मैम, दिव्यानी मैम आई हैं पूजा से मिलने। आपके कैबिन में वेट कर रही हैं।
क्यों?
पता नहीं, बड़ी स्ट्रांग लेडी है वो तारा मैम। पायलट है, क्या पता वेडिंग क्रैश करा दे।
ये जोक था। प्लीज जैज।
सॉरी मैम, सॉरी।
I can't believe this.
Here.
I'm so sorry, पूजा। मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैं तुमसे क्या कहूँ। बैठिए।
She's gonna file. I'm taking her to the station from here.
सब इतने खुश थे। Everything was going so well.
सॉरी दीदी, आपकी शादी में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था।
और तुम्हारे साथ जो हुआ वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए था। लेकिन अब हो गया ना, व्हाट कैन वी डू? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद करने दो। मैं तुम्हें 2 लाख कैश दे सकती हूँ।
What are you doing?
2 लाख बहुत बड़ी रकम है।
दिव्यानी, please stop.
कितनी मेहंदियाँ लगवानी पड़ेगी तुझे 2 लाख कमाने के लिए?
What? Are you for real?
मेरी बात मानो और ये झंझट में मत पड़ो। पुलिस कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर में तो पड़ने से
पूजा,
बेटर है ना।
तुम्हें इनकी बात मानने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है?
$5 लाख कैश।
मंजूर। Thank you.
बस दिखा दी अपनी नीयत।
इतने पैसे तो मैं सपनों में भी नहीं कमा सकती।
अगर बात पैसों की थी तो पहले बोलना था ना।
Stop it, Karan.
No, this isn't just about her. ये सिर्फ तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं है। हर एक वो औरत जिसको रनावत मोलेस्ट करेगा ना, ये उनके बारे में है। उसको लगेगा वो ये कर सकता है। 5 लाख की गड्डी है ना उसके पास।
Back off, you're scaring her.
तुम्हारे इस डिसीजन की वजह से कितने लोग सफर करेंगे, कुछ आइडिया है? डरपोक हो। कुछ कर सकती थी तुम।
What the fuck, Karan? You can't talk to her like this.
Then what the hell happened to you? I thought you couldn't bear to see his face.
I can't, but the decision is not mine to make. I have to respect her.
Do you realize on how many levels this is wrong? You're a woman, for God's sake.
Which is why I will not judge her.
Hey. कैसा है यार? मुझसे बात तो कर. Don't ignore me, Karan. You know I called your house 6 times.
I do not want to talk to you, Nawab.
करण आ रहा है क्या?
अबे आ रहा है यार. Listen, don't do this. Talk to me. We can work something out, na?
I do not want to talk to you.
Karan.
Hello, you too. Ruchi's right there.
So glad you could make it.
I never miss any of your parties, Ruchi. Never on purpose, anyway.
You okay now?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't invite Faiza.
Oh, I didn't. Why? You should have.
Not after what she did to you. We're all on your side, baby.
Don't worry. How many days it will take?
क्या है?
I know, I'm on it, okay? I don't know how it leaked or who leaked it, but
You
I'm gonna find...
recorded us. You recorded me without me knowing.
No, it was the CCTV footage. I didn't even realize...
You didn't
that people-
realize? What am I supposed to do now?
Stop shouting. I will have it off the internet by this afternoon, okay? I can get it deleted from all.
सारा इल्जाम तो मुझ पे आएगा. ऑफिस मुझे छोड़ना पड़ेगा. मेरी रेपुटेशन खराब होगी. know that, right? I'll be the one to blame. Did I tell you about the Ranawats? Pooja, the Mehndi wali. They paid her off 5 lakhs.
That's it?
5 lakhs is a lot of money.
He fucking molested her. She should have been smarter. 5 lakhs barely cuts it.
Nothing cuts it, if you ask me.
Everybody has their price.
I must tell you that as a family, we are very grateful to you the way you handled the situation with so much dignity.
You know how it is. He's a man. I should have known better. I fell in love and... Sorry.
I understand how difficult this must be for you, and we would really like to help, to see that, just to see that you're comfortable until, of course, you find something more substantial. So, this is for you.
Thank you for this. But I could never take money from Adil. It would never feel right.
Of course.
Can you unzip this?
I need to sleep.
Looking at this, one wouldn't believe that royalty has been abolished in India. There is nothing commonplace about the Ranawats. Sure, they have moved with the times, and the prince is marrying a pilot. But reverence is ingrained in our DNA. For us, blue blood will always rank higher than red. Even in the 21st century, royalty will reign. Their customs will stay the same. Their subjects will remain as loyal, and their transgressions will be as accepted.
मैं होती तो पैसे कभी भी नहीं लेती।
बकवास।
सिर्फ बोल नहीं रही हूँ। कुछ चीजें ठीक नहीं है। मैं होती ना तो उसके दांत तोड़ देती। नहीं यार, काफी पी लिया है। अब पीऊंगी तो रोने लगूंगी।
मुझे तो मत रुला यार।
Okay, fine. दे फिर।
ले वो फिर। चल थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं ना।
चल। कितना शूट करेगा?
तुम मेरे फ्रेम में हो।
अच्छा, और जो तुम मेरे महल में हो?
तुम्हारा महल।
जब भी मैं किसी महल में जाती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैं यहीं रहती थी कभी, सदियों पहले।
तो क्या तुम पास्ट लाइफ में बिलीव करते हो?
ऑफ कोर्स। सिर्फ एक जिंदगी थोड़ी ना हो सकती है।
राजकुमारी थी।
रानी। क्या?
क्या?
क्या? क्या?
बताइए क्या कर सकते हैं आपके लिए?
I wanted to ask you something. एक बहुत ही पावरफुल आदमी ने एक लड़की को मोलेस्ट किया है।
कहाँ?
अपने बेटे की शादी पर। हम ही ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे थे।
वेडिंग बिजनेस में ये सब भी होता है?
कुछ नहीं होगा उसको। नो पनिशमेंट।
जानते हो उस लड़की को?
जी। कुछ कर सकते हैं हम।
क्या करना चाहोगे?
सबक सिखाना चाहूंगा।
सिखा देंगे सबक। अब कितना सिखाना है ये बता दो बस। मतलब उंगलियां, हाथ पांव, लंडिया लाश।
नहीं आए पता नहीं नहीं एक्चुअली सॉरी मैं चलता हूँ।
And now my new daughter has an important announcement to make.
Our honored guests from overseas are here for a very special reason today. I'm very happy to announce that the Mandota Palace will be merging with the Five Seasons brand. The palace is now open to anyone who would like to experience a taste of royalty.
I have a question. Sir, by when do you think the hotel project would be completed?
We are hoping the end of 2020.
At the hotel will be the epitome of luxury. No other state in the country will have this kind of grandeur.
Mr. Ranawat, congratulations on the merger. Although we have reports that you have molested the Mehendi Wali at your son's wedding. What are your comments on that?
That is a very serious accusation, young lady.
Yes, it is. Which is why we need a comment.
Ma'am, you are insulting our family. This is a malicious rumor and we will not engage in it. I would request you to please leave.
Gladly.
Sir, please take questions. Ranawat family won't be taking any further personal questions on this subject.
Isn't that journalist your friend?
That is a very serious accusation, young lady.
Hey, ये पकड़.
अमन टाल है.
Ooh, what's this? Guys, Karan को एक love letter मिला.
Stop it. Stop.
Karan को.
Why are you doing this to me? Let's talk. Yours forever. Nawab?
So, is that how homos talk to each other?
लेटर तो नवाब ने लिखा है ना? How does that make me gay?
अच्छा, so love सिर्फ उसकी साइड से है?
Of course, dude.
Karan? Is everything okay?
I want to file a PIL against Article 377.
You want to file a public interest litigation?
Yeah. Can I do it tomorrow?
Yes, you can. But you could have just come to office for that.
You weren't picking up your phone. And I had to know right now.